Today's affirmations are focused on building healthy habits for daily improvement. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am disciplined. I can build habits easily. I stick to routines. People admire my consistency. Every day I improve habits. Today I stay committed. I am consistent. I form habits quickly. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.